In this video, I will show how to draw a line in Microsoft Excel. So click on that, then shape, select the line. Now draw your line. Press and hold Shift key to draw a perfect horizontal line. And here you can change size, color, style. So thanks for watching. In this video, I will show how to draw different styles lines in Excel. So click on Insert, then Shape. Here select Line. Now draw your line. Press and hold Shift key. So you can draw perfect horizontal line. You can change color, style and thickness. Just select it, and in the shape format you will see these all options. Drag and drop. Now adjust the size, color. So thanks for watching, and guys, if you want to make it vertical, select it, and in the rotate you can rotate left or right 90 degree. So thanks for watching.